Good morning to all of you. Welcome to Legal Matters by Sai Babu Sankara. Now I am going to tell you an incident which is embroiling in the state of Kerala, particularly in Malappuram district. It's actually a case of professional ethics. It's relating to the judges. The issue is whether judge can abuse a lawyer, whether judge can ask a lawyer to be arrested, whether judge can ask a lawyer to get out of the court. These things we are going to discuss in the Contempt of the Courts Act. That's why I tell you, Contempt of the Courts Act, normally it applies to the advocates, the judiciary and the government officers. So normally we expect or we give much sanctity to the judiciary, but they are also human beings. To err is human. Right? Without wasting much of time, let us swing into the action or swing into the case proper. It happened in TIRUR. So in the court of JFMC on November 18th, 2023, the JFMC in TIRUR district, and the two is on temporary service. He allegedly verbally abused a junior advocate who was supporting a witness, who was assisting a witness during the chief examination. No doubt. Normally, during the chief examination, even the public prosecutor also cannot assist the so-called witness, because the examination in chief is to tell the court as to what happened with his personal knowledge. Then he will be subjected to cross-examination. If any points are there, he will be re-examined. This is all you know according to section 137 of the Indian Evidence Act. But junior lawyer, what does he know? Out of anxiety, out of interest, he is trying to assist the witness. This caused ire to the JMFC. The JMFC not only instructed the police to arrest the lawyer, but also compelled him to leave the court premises till the end of the day. Will the lawyers keep quiet? What for your bar associations are there? Immediately, the Kerala, please remember, the district bar association first, they have held a protest seeking action against the JMFC. And the matter went into the High Court also. The district in charge, or you may be knowing, the portfolio judge, Shri Justice D. Nagresh, in charge of that Malappuram district, along with the district judge of Malappuram, they assured the bar association that they are going to transfer the concerned magistrate JMFC. Because already there are allegations against him. That too, he is on temporary service, and previously also his conduct was like that. So, because it's a government organization or judiciary, normally they have to conduct an inquiry. The inquiry report has to come. Then only they can take action. Straight away, they can't take any action because the procedures are there. Till such time, he will be transferred out to some other place. This is the assurance given to the Kerala High Court Advocates Association by Justice D. Nagresh. He is the in charge. The assurance is that the alleged magistrate will be transferred from TIRUR at the earliest. But the Bar Council, of course, they have already of the opinion that it is an apt decision by the court, but they will pursue the matter. They will follow the matter. Otherwise, for a temporary solution, people will be telling like that only. Right? So the executive committee of Kerala High Court Bar Council, they expressed its dismay and anguish over the reprehensible, we can say reprehensible behavior of the magistrate. That too towards a junior lawyer, that too in a courtroom. That's why, please remember, judicial etiquette says that they have to be dignified. They have to be magnanimous. In the early days, they will be aggressive, but when the time passes on, When a magistrate becomes an additional district and session judge, there will be magnanimity in his behavior. This should be there. Of course, as young person also, they should maintain the magnanimity, the decency, because the post is like that. We give much sanctity to the post. Why we respect a judge? Even though he is a young man, we have to pay our respects to him, because you have to respect the seat. And they have to maintain that also. No doubt, definitely they will get irritated, but still they should not exhibit the same. They have got the power in their hand, they should give an order, that's all. So according to section 327 CRPC, I am not going to allow this particular advocate for some time. Give an order, he will simply go away. Why should I abuse him? Why should I call the police? So I have been saying, suppose if by mistake any lawyer or any, let us take the example of any client or any litigant in the court, his cell phone is rung, immediately the judge will ask the man, go and seize it. And they will make a courtroom drama, right? So the magistrate should maintain the so-called discipline, decorum, decency, magnanimity, and should hold tight, should not lose his tongue. This is the result. He will get transferred, no doubt. His post will not go, but this incident will carry on throughout his service, is it not? But anyway, to conclude, I want to tell you that the judges should not abuse any lawyer. They can take action under the Contempt of the Courts Act, Section 12. That's all. Right? It is a clear case of violation of the professional ethics, which I am going to tell you for the final year students. Next semester, we are going to tell you. Right? I will explain the case law in detail there. For the present, I am staying back. Thank you very much.